In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can increase your text size on TikTok. Increasing text size on TikTok can enhance accessibility for viewers, especially those with visual impairments. It also makes the text more noticeable and readable, improving the overall user experience and ensuring that your message or content is effectively communicated to a wider audience. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On this page, head into the option of accessibility. You will then select onto this option of text size. Slide towards your right to increase to any text size of your own choice. Then tap on Adjust to save your preferred changes. You can either increase or reduce in the text size at any time. That's how easy it is to increase text size on TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.